Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Till today, the total number of samples sent till May 20 is 3,354. Number of persons tested till May. The number of samples sent for testing till May 20th is 3354. The number of persons tested negative till 20th May is 3158. Number of persons tested positive till 20th May 14, 1 deceased, 12 recovered, 1 active. Number of test results awaited till 20th May is 182.
Okay.
The institutional quarantine till 20th May 467. The number of persons entrance outside Meghalaya contacted through IVRS is 3115. Contact tracing details till 13 May 2020, high risk is 307. Till 13 May 2020, low risk is 1106. The number of entrants from outside of Meghalaya till May 28th is 7100. Number of entrants who have been home visited by health workers till May 2020, 28th May 2020 is 6769.